Hello, my name is Martin. Hello, my name is Martin. We are opening right now the sensor Smartcultiva CL100B. This is the package that they come. Basically, we take it out here. We extract. We take the cap up, and this is basically the sensor. This is the probe. This basically probe is called resistive, and we use for basically for home gardening. We have other kind of probe that are capacitive that belong to the sensor that is under the name S, and we will show you in another video how they work. But this the other sensor is for more industrial or farm use. So this is the sensor. Keep in mind that this small hole is for a light entrance to the sensor, so we can measure. And also there is a number. This is basically so you can identify if you have several sensors with this actually number, but you can put whatever you want. Usually people mark that. Right now we will show how we'll be open the device. And also this here is the thermometer, okay? So we'll be open. You need to do this pretty slow. The system inside is pretty tight to the tube, so you need to do pretty slow. Okay, and here we are. We have the battery holder here. So this is the battery holder. This is a microprocessor. This is the reset that we need to use when turning on the device. And basically this is the light indicator, and this small belong to the light intensity sensor. This need to match exactly with this. So when you put back on the holder, keep in mind that need to be aligned. And also we have one light here that indicate that the system is power on. So we use this battery. This is our lithium batteries that basically the number are 14500 800 milliamperes. You will see that in our manual. This is the same size that AA batteries. So keep in mind that this kind of batteries are different to the standard used in a radio. They don't have the mark for positive and negative. So the only way that you have to identify that is because there is some hole on the front and there is a kind of line. This means the positive for the battery. If you're some expert or you have a tester in your home, you can do that. But the more important is that don't have more milliamperes than 1000, correct? So we check here in the holder. You will see the plus and the minus sign. So respect the polarity for use that. So it's very important because the sensor, this is a unique piece that you need to tie your finger strong here, so the battery can enter without any problem. So I will do it right now. Okay, it's tight. Right now, I don't know if you've seen the camera, there is a green LED here. Maybe you can see over there. There is a green here, okay? That means that the device is on. So after put the battery, we reset that. We press here for 1 second. You will see a light that will flash for less than 1 second. The sensor right now is on. So we can wait a little so we can see how this LED will be turned on and off. Will take about, let's say, about 1 minute to begin the system in create the initialization. So you see right now a blue, and right now will be see a green light. Okay, this is the more important thing. This is a green light, mean that if you have a cell phone, you can see the identification number of the device as we saw in the manual, and you can connect and put the information to connect to your Wi-Fi. So at this stage, these devices, they have the configuration with my own Wi-Fi, so this is okay, it's ready for transmit. So very careful when you back it again. Keep in mind that the sensor for light need to be aligned with that, as I mentioned before, and this is pretty tight. You need to do pretty slowly. You need to press here a little, and the sensor will be entered. Okay. So here the sensor is done. Right now, point is that what happens if you want to charge it? Well, basically you need to use a standard. Right now it's lighting because the connection happened. So this sensor right now is connecting to the internet and sending data. You can use the standard cellular form, cellular charger with USB, and basically you need to plug here. You need to figure out how it is, and here. Right now, in this mode, you can charge the sensor, okay? Will take about 1 hour, and you will see a blue light when the sensor is already charged. Keep in mind that the duration of the battery, depending how often are open or closed, will be around 30 days to 25 days. So this is all. This is the sensor for reading data from your garden. Thank you.